Well, it's gonna go flying, but we got a small problem here we gotta get fixed first.
Yep.
We got a flat tire. Whew, that's all right. The kids fixed it. Riley, Macy, y'all got it? All right, the kids got us fixed up. Just kidding, Walt got us fixed up. So let's finish this out.
What's up, guys? We are taking a little adventure today. Macy has been under the weather. It's been Thanksgiving break and we haven't done anything. So Dad is going to fly us to our favorite
beach, which is St. Simon's
Island. We're gonna have dinner and stop by a couple of shops and support some small businesses because today is Small Business Saturday. And we have little Brian back there somewhere. So it's gonna be Brian, myself, Macy, and Riley.
All right, Mama, you ready?
Ready for what? To jig. To jiggle. My hands up high, my feet down low, and that's the way I jiggle.
Our goal is to fly down here, visit
Carter
McCoy's shop, support our local business.
That's right.
And we're going to eat at Southern Soul BBQ. I've talked about this before on the channel, but 90% of the flying that I do, either me and Daniel, me and Barry, or whoever, and a lot of times us, is flying just to eat dinner. Whether it's barnstormers, up at Peach State, or Augusta, pretty much everywhere we fly. St. Simon's a lot. We come down here to fly and eat dinner. So one thing that I have not done is taken y'all to Southern Soul BBQ, which is, for pilots, is probably the most popular restaurant on the island because it literally is within easy walking distance of the airport. From the FBO to the restaurant at the roundabout is 5 minutes or less walk. I want to go fly over Sapelo Island because there says on the VFR sectional map that there's an old lighthouse, hotel, and some type of settlement.
Daddy, can I do the Pledge of Allegiance?
Yeah, you can do the Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay.
Ready?
Mama, put your hand on your heart. Daddy, put yours.
Got
Daddy,
it.
put yours. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, and liberty and justice for all.
All right, good job.
That's awesome.
That makes me proud. Steer me to the left a tad bit, Mama. If y'all can see it out here. I can't see with these glasses on. I gotta fix that. Right out there is part of the. We can't go over there because it's in the military operating area, the restricted area. But that tan patch in the middle is where they do a lot of their bombing exercises at. Pretty cool. So all this area out here is the military operating area. This is the cool thing about living so close to the coast of Georgia, is being able to do these kind of adventures on a Saturday afternoon, really.
Hey, they're equal.
Hopefully we can find us a sweet treat today.
Yes.
Departing runway.
All right, Brandon.
To the east and down to the
Day, Junior.
A sweet treat.
If you don't know what video I'm talking about, I'll put a card right here so
traffic,
you can watch that one. It was hilarious. I still laugh about it.
Other field.
All right, Riley, look out your window. Look, coming up, you're gonna see a lighthouse. Do you look? Do you see that red and white lighthouse?
Whoa.
How cool is that?
That's cool. That is awesome.
There's a shrimp boat.
Southern Island, traffic, Money 73 Whiskey.
Oh, I wish I could get a good picture of that.
They're coming out.
See if you can get it with my phone, honey.
I won't put him on your side.
Oh, honey. Jeez.
Oh. Macy, look.
I'll throw up.
You were leaning over. A boat, Macy.
That's a shrimp boat. He's catching shrimp.
He might catching sharks. Shark! I just saw a shark, Daddy.
Oh, wow, a shark.
Yes, I
Wow.
saw a shark.
It's busy today at St. Simon's. That's good though. It's good practice.
Common Unicom, Money 1373 Whiskey.
Okay, go ahead.
We're going to be spending the night. Any particular place you want to go?
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
We made it to St. Simon's.
This could be our car.
You wish this could be our car.
But what if it was like
We got an hour before the shop closes, so we're gonna go look at the shop real quick and get us a bite to eat. You hungry?
Yep, and I want a treat.
And a treat. Gotcha.
I want a treat.
Like we told you in the plane, Southern Soul BBQ is just a short little hop. But I guess we're going to that shop first, right, babe?
Yes.
Okay. But still, it's right there in the same shopping center. So we're just walking out of the front of the FBO and gonna walk straight over to the shop and the barbecue joint. So easy peasy. We found it. And there's a sign out front that says it's open.
But I missed the spot.
But
Just going down.
It's closed.
so you don't think we're fooling you. There's Southern Soul BBQ. And there's the end of the runway in St. Simon's. Just that close. Got the brisket sandwich with some Brunswick stew as a side. Macy got full pork. Well, first, any restaurant that you can fly to, sit down and then watch airplanes take off while you eat. It's got to be the perfect restaurant, right?
I did that.
I like it. Since we didn't get to go to Mama's boutique she wanted to go to since it was closed, I think we should take her to get coffee, right?
Yes.
All right, let's get some coffee for Mama.
And me.
So forever, Erica has wanted a coffee where they made fancy little designs in the frost.
Mama!
And she finally got it.
I'm so excited I can hardly contain myself.
All right, and there we are back from our trip to St. Simon's Island to eat some barbecue at Southern Soul.
I love
Did you have a good time? What about you, Riley?
Yes, sir.
All right, good deal. Mama, did you have fun?
I did.
That was cool. So we hope you enjoyed the video. Like this video if you did. Subscribe if you have not done that yet. And we'll see you on the next one. See ya.
I loved my barbecue. I love my daddy and mama.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.